social netizens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. I am so glad you could make it here. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you find something that's going to make you subscribe. So today we are doing a head wrap tutorial, and I have this one over here. How do you love it? How do you love it? Yeah, so we are going to do a few styles. Yeah, I hope you can be able to pick one or two, and yeah, you can spice up your wardrobe. So here goes. uh I'll be selling these head wraps, so you can order one for yourself or for your girlfriend, for you and your mom, for you and your sisters or your friends or your chama members. So yeah, just click on the Instagram link on my over here, down here, or up there, or uh, in the description box, and yeah, order your turban. I'll also leave my phone number in case you're not an Instagram person. Yeah, so here goes. that's it, guys. I hope you have learned a thing or two, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to order one for you and for your people. And don't forget to subscribe and share and comment and tell a friend to tell a friend. And yeah, have a lovely week. See you around. Bye.